Finding the slope of a line from a graph. The key to finding the slope from a graph is looking for the rise over run. Rise is the vertical change, also called delta y, because y is up and down, over the horizontal change, delta x. You guys might know this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's all the same way of representing the same thing. What I'm going to do is find any 2 points that I'm sure my graph goes through. Now, on this particular graph, I don't have graph paper to show you, so I'm going to draw in these little points. Sometimes you're not given those points, but you need to find points that you are sure, 100% sure your graph goes through. Then what you do is you count the rise, and you write that number on top of the run. So in my case, the rise is 1, the run is 2. So my slope is 1 over 2. Try it again between another set of points just to be sure. Rise over run, 1 over 2. Boom, there it is. You could also, let's say I use the outside 2 points. Let's say I use like this big slope triangle. That should be up 2 over 4. So let's just pretend like I didn't use those little triangles. I used the bigger triangle and I got 2 over 4. That of course reduces to 1 over 2. So the way you tell the slope from a graph is using any 2 points that are on your line. You have to be sure they're on the line, and then looking for the change in y, or the rise, and put that number on top of the run. And it should be the exact same slope for any 2 points you can find on the graph.